Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. Total guideline, the search and optimization is step by step, a lot of videos. Uh, One point, very important point, all point discuss my channel and my videos, my class and my lectures. Today's my class and link building for search engine optimization and the beginners or guidelines. The what is the link building and search engine optimization beginners guidelines? Search engine optimization and best relation and between the link building. Link building is a very important part. The search engine optimization. Link building's author's name is Backlinks. What is the link building? Link building is the process of strategically increase the number of hyperlink or backlink. The pointing to a website, it is an essential aspect of search engine optimization maintained to improve website search engine visibility. I can again repeat, what is the link building? Link building is the process of strategical increasing the number of hyperlinks or backlinks pointing to a website. It is essential stage of search engine optimization meant to improve a website search engine visibility. Here are some of most popular link building strategy. Number 1, content marketing. Number 2, email out research. Number 3, broken link building. Number 4, unliked brand mention. Number 5, PR, page rank. Almost other the let's go in the details. Hire the beginners of guidelines link building in search engine optimization. Why link building importance? The most high quality backlink page has the higher in can rank. Backlinks are one of Google's most important ranks factor. Google or others major search engine consider backlink as a vote of confidence for the website granted the link. Each vote suggests your content is valuable, credible, and useful. So, if you want your page to rank high to into the Google search result, you will almost currently needed to do some backlink buildings. How to build links? Most link building technique in strategy fail in on there are following bracket. Number 1, S for link. Ask for link. Asking for link is when you active contain a website and ask them to link to yours. You can ask them to link to blog post. Number 1, independent guides. Number 2, ebooks. Number 3, number 4, visual assets like infographics. Number 6, case study. Number 7, organic research and data, and so further. You can grade how to the late in best backlink building strategy section. Add links. Adding links refers to going to another website and manual editing your link there. For example, you can manually add links to social media profile, business direction, forums, community, and question answer site, blogs, comment, use profile page, and so on. Manually editing SEO links is the one of the essential and possible late effective way to build links. Those type of links obtain come from low quality source. That kind the Google don't want to give too much weight to. Because you create them, are you practical endorsing yourself, which is what Google is looking for when figuring out which website deserve to rank best. And since these links assign educational give links for you don't ask for, they carry less width and type of links. Your best the earn links. Earn links you can earn links, other website links without you asking them to. And the best way to earn link is by carrying high quality people want to link to. Links happen naturally when someone wants to link to something as a request or helpful further readings. How are a few different types of content people trained to link these? Visual assist, organic search, online tools, and independent data and tutorials. Find more content idea, look at your complete backlinks profile. Again, we'll get into step by step how to do the dance of best backlink building strategy section. What makes a good backlink? Knows what make good backlink in importance because you can focus on building link which will improve your Google ranks. How identify links that are actual others building. Authorize is search engine optimization concept that refers to the overall quality of a website or the web page. The higher the source of more weighting the backlinks may have. So links from high authorized website obtain more valuable, which means I can help your page rank here. Links for the well stale journal weekly and biggers and from unknown blogs. The relevance. When you come to link, the site relevance also matter. There even the Google how search work page. Beyond looking at keywords, our system also analyze content relevance query in the way one of several factors that we use to help dynamic this understand and promote website and this content. Placement. Link posting on page important, good backlink approach with the main body and web page. Google has the partner that link specific about link placement. It look defense possible invite in link code that read mind click on like defend where is location. Links side are factors who are page contain my node beware as search high and presses. Anchor tracks. Purchase anchor tags is important because browse search engine and read yachts with defense what a link and page about. So the more relevant defense of the anchor tags, the better. No follow, do follow. No follow link article that tails search and follows bound in their tropical use site own when is the website don't is imply in addition. Google say no follow links in green don't another authorized but can still provide recommended traffic. Thank you, my friend. The link building for search engine optimization, the beginners, the guidelines, total guidelines, the search engine short times, and link building for search engine optimize. What is the link building? What is the link building? Thank you. Best of luck. Please subscribe my channel.